If you haven't heard of MyWorker.ai before, I am welcoming you to MyWorker. So we're going to go through an overview. What is MyWorker? How does it work? How's it going to get you more customers? So this page right now that you're looking at is the login page. So right when you log in, you're prompted to put in your website. After you put in your website, what's MyWorker doing? Well, it's doing everything that a top level sales team would do, which is learning about your company, learning about what products you guys sell, what makes you different from your competitors, who are your competitors. All of this background information is what MyWorker AI system is doing right now as we speak. What's very interesting is right now we're using a company, SaaS Mining. This would traditionally be very, very difficult to find expertise on because you need someone who has expertise in Bitcoin and Bitcoin mining. For those of you who don't know, feel free to pause on the screen, but SaaS Mining is a Bitcoin mining as a service firm. So anyone who might go and buy Bitcoin on Coinbase can now go and start mining Bitcoin through SaaS Mining service. So very niche. And as you can see, the system did an amazing job pulling everything together. And all of this information, when you're going through your own onboarding, is editable. So you can go, just like you would prompt ChatGPT, and put in your information here. And this is going to be in the brains of your AI sales team at MyWorker. So then after you go through, and this is all editable later, so you can go through the onboarding and then later on edit all this information. You click next at the bottom here. And so what's this page? Well, this is what a top level sales team would do next is they'd figure out who are the best people for you to reach out to and who are your target customers. And so right now, right off the bat, you see 3 different target customer profiles that MyWorker just generated for SaaS Mining. And in here, it's not just a description high level. It went deep. It's figuring out what are the, not just industry, but the pain points of that person. What are the solutions that you can provide? And why might they say no to buying? And a top level sales team would know why they might say no and then get them to say yes or overcome those objections. And so this is one of the secret sauce areas of MyWorker because it takes it deeper to make sure that your AI is operating at a top level sales objection handling capacity. Now here, you might be thinking, okay, what's this page? What's Ad Sender? This is actually a very important page. So you're trying to reach out to people. You want to make sure that your messages get seen. So on this page, this is going to allow you to set up all of your email inboxes. So this just starts you off with one. The name in my email is Joe Schmo. That's why that's put there. You're going to want to put whatever your role is. And then you can choose an email domain that you like. And then rather than you needing to go and set up a whole Google workspace and doing all this stuff, all you got to do is put what you want is your email and then your name, role, and then click finish. And just like that, you have been onboarding onto MyWorker. You are one step closer to having your AI sales team as a service ready at your fingertips and getting ready to scale your sales.